Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq guides, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Ooh, yeah. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market, where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear emotion in a Nasdaq valley. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
Ready to trade futures like a pro? Omnius Trades gives you the edge you need to succeed in this market. Click the link to learn more.
Trade futures with Omnius Trades and master your future.
Learn to trade futures with us. Get started with Omnius Trades and unlock your potential in the market.
Jump out.
Good morning.
Good morning. No need to try and rush and pass evals anymore until the next $75 sale, which
Nope.
might be announced in a couple of hours.
I think it's only 50% now.
We're like a couple hours until they come up with the next one. The next one's going to be 80% off with $75 activation at Apex.
I don't know. I have a feeling that might just
Yeah.
be the 50% for a while. I got to redo my camera, so I'm just going to let you talk for a little bit.
Okay, perfect. I was just talking to Dan here. He was talking about holding a bias. I should make a video about holding a bias. Holding a bias has been very painful for me too. I've learned that lesson way too many times. It's going to come back. It's going to go down. It's going to go up. It's going to take out the highs before we trade lower. No, I don't do that anymore. I've learned. That's why I said, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to wait and see. Oh, Dan, it's true. You're kind of new here, eh? I'm a very active scalper. I think on an average day, I take anywhere from 50 to 100 trades. Trades are very short. So, like I said, I just try to jump on the momentum, try to get 10, 15 points, depending on the volatility. If the ATR is high, I get more. If the ATR is low, I get less. But right now, my charts are telling me that the most likely direction or the best trades, the best scalps will be to the upside. Good night. Good night, Twinkle. Thanks for joining since last night. I got you chatting. I got you to say hi. Eh? You said you never chat. Good work in the CCC channel also. I liked it. Way to go. I'm going to go over it more thoroughly later.
Somebody was asking about MT5. I don't think we have any MT5 yet, but we certainly can start with MT5. Got to start somewhere, right?
Well, yeah, that's what the forex brokers usually, FTMO, the Fivers, those companies. Top One probably also.
Mm-hmm.
That's weird.
What I said.
Well, it's a good thing I paid attention. I got to disconnect for a second, guys. Skeletor, good morning. I haven't used MT5 in like 2 years. MT5 from Russia with love. It was Twinkle. He's a coder. Pretty sophisticated too. He uses Python to backtest. That's already next level backtesting. And we were talking about EAs, which are automated strategies. If he worked on those, and if he was trading with MT4 or MT5, and he said he uses MT5. Okay. So we are going to do 5 lots in our evals. I guess my target for the day will be $300. Where's my clicker? I got to get back to the clicker. I got to be fighting for price and taking only good trades. I need to see how a day like that will go. You tell me when you're ready to talk, because I'm just filling the air with.
Yeah, I'm good. I just had to straighten some things out. You know how it goes.
Yeah.
Guys, sorry I missed y'all. John Pruitt, good morning. Skeletor, good morning. Dan, good morning. Mike, good morning.
Morning.
What's we got over
I had
here?
a John Pruitt joke.
Ambitious, good morning. Mikey, good morning. Anybody else? Good morning. And Twinkle, good morning.
925. I don't like usually taking a trade before the 928 imbalance report comes out, but I took a long. We'll see how it goes. I'm long from 50-50. I'm targeting 58, 55, 75, 56, 56. See if it goes.
Mm-hmm.
Omnius, if you go in the live market and you buy a couple of 100 lots, maybe you could push it to 58 for my eval.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe you can do that and help me with my eval. My $19 eval.
I'm going to do it right now.
I was going to take 56. You know what I said? I'm not crazy about trading before 928. Most of the times I get hurt. I was 2 points away, but I got in a point earlier, so I should have just taken the 56 and been happy with the 6 points.
I think
6 points is good.
I think my aunt might be Nancy Pelosi's lesbian lover. You want me to give her a call?
That was not an image I wanted in my brain.
Lewis, good morning.
51, 44. Okay, I'll add. What the fuck? Hold on, my chart is stuck. That's interesting. Wow.
Reminds me,
Both
what am
my
I at
charts
today?
are stuck.
About 1 second? Okay. Maybe today's your day for the
Yep.
bullshit.
Time to get out of the trade. I gotta close down. Connections. Disconnect. Yes.
Yes, no, maybe.
Data's coming in, but the bars weren't changing. Connections. Load. Oh, let's see. If not, okay, I'll go to Bull and Ox. We always have spare accounts.
How about our morning analysis?
Trade well, everyone. Yes, trade safe, trade well, trade smart, trade small, trade on demo.
Did pop this little gap that we had a few days ago.
Mm,
Going up, trying to take out the high from Friday. So do we get a spike down and then a push up in the open, or do we get a spike up and then retest? Looking for a spike down, push up, or push up, come back, retest, and then go. We still have this gap from Thursday, the week before, Thursday the 12th. So market should be looking to fill that gap. You know, you see a nice gap, you want to fill it. You know what I mean? Why not, right?
Yep.
And then we have this gap back here from the 3rd. I don't think we'd fill that today, but it's in the longer run. So bull case would pop up. If my drawing tool would work, pop up, come back, retest, and go. Bear case would come down, would push up, make a failed high, and then drop lower. 4-hour chart. What do we got? Minute and a half.
There's the 58. I traded poorly. But then again, oh yeah, 90% MES. It's true your question, Dan. I trade NQ and gold, but right now I can't trade gold with Apex, so I'm trading gold on my Bull and Ox account, which is on another computer. You don't see it.
Poll overnight was, do you have Apex accounts?
Yeah. What was your percent?
I think like 58% said no.
So 42. Yeah, I got 45.
I think it was 105 votes.
Yeah, combined probably we had close to 200 and something votes.
Sounds like about the same ratio. About 58% said no. So guys, the question is, if
55. Hey, that's half. That's huge. That's huge. Could you imagine having half the market? One company having half the market?
I mean, I guess when you put it that way. Where is it?
From all the companies and all the choices.
No, 58% said no. Only 42 said yes.
Yep. Let's get trading.
So anyways, like you said, that's still a huge part of the market.
It is.
Also, the question is, guys, if y'all don't like Apex, who do you like? So let us know who your favorite prop firms are.
I'm pulling out my crystal ball, and it rhymes with lucid.
And now that the market's open, I'm 20 seconds behind.
It rhymes with lucid. We did that poll already.
I guess I got to go through and take out some more indicators or something, get my Ninja Trader to run better. This is crazy.
Bull and Ox. Yeah, Bull and Ox is popular too.
Big fan of Bull and Ox. I know some people said they don't like it. I don't know. I haven't heard that many people having problems, but
nah.
I don't know. I want to take people's issues they have serious.
Nice run over there. I'm working a gold trade short at 97.
I don't know what I can do because I'm now 40 seconds behind.
Come on, film me on my TP so I can watch NQ. Let's go.
Andrew's working just fine.
Boom, filled.
Yeah, I don't know. It seems to like go different directions. One day somebody's don't work, next day somebody else's.
Yep. It bounces back and forth between Canada and the US. How am I almost a full minute? I don't know. It's your turn, I guess. And then a couple of days, it's my turn.
It was almost a full minute, Mikey.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. I don't know. Guys, if y'all know, let
If
me
you know,
know.
you know.
All I can tell you is the number right up here at the top says negative 55, 56.
Mine is
See it right
mine is
there.
0.7. 1428.
Now there's different things that can cause that. Can be your computer. Computer should be fine. It's only running at the memory's 42, the GPU's 38, and the CPU's bouncing around 55.
Nice. Okay, I'll take that.
Do have a lot of strategies. I did delete several of the strategies. I thought that would make it run better. I mean, I haven't
Oh,
had these issues forever. I mean,
my platform just froze
I'm at
again.
78. This is untradeable. I think I'm gonna have to shut it down, reopen it.
Yeah, it's funny. Me too. I'm doing that because I have a phantom order. You want to see it? Oh, it's not showing up on that chart. That's weird. Anyways, it was a short. Thank God I was able to get out of it. So I'm closing down. I'm going to clean up my cash.
How you clean the cache?
I have that. My trade copier from Apex comes with a button.
Okay.
In the meantime, the bot is long from like 25 150, but I'll just have to hold my breath.
Yeah, Ninja Trader has a bunch of things that can just, like weird stuff that'll just cause it to run terrible.
Yeah, here, I'll show you guys what it is that I do to clean my cache. To clean the cache, I'm waiting for it to open.
Can literally be any indicator, anything you have on a chart, anything is just not running 100%, and Ninja Trader just freaks out.
I click on Toolkit. I click on Ninja Trader 8.
I don't have that, so what's the point in me looking at it?
Clear all NT historical data. There we go. Finish clearing all the data. Close window. Exit. I'm ready to reopen NT. Fresh. Fresh. Oh, yeah. My NT is lagging also. Not only was I lagging, I was freezing. Should have done the database management too.
Yeah, damn, maybe I need to find out. I'll look for it, or if you happen to find it, post a link for it in Discord. Get it out to everybody else.
Yeah, I think there's an you have an indicator for folder, eh? Omnius?
Yeah.
Mm.
We can get that indicator, get out to other people.
There, Dan, I'll post a link to Omnius's channel. You can hop on over there. Give it a second. It takes a bit to load. You can hop on over there and then join his Discord.
I think he might have already. He was in the stream earlier.
Yeah.
Lewis, think Ninja Trader's falling behind compared to other platforms.
It is. It's starting to struggle.
Yes and no, but they still have probably the best platform. Well, I don't want to say probably the best. I mean, there's if you know how to use Sierra charts, that's a really good platform. And if you know how to use Quan Tower, that's a very good platform. As far as charting and stuff, TradingView is a really good platform. I don't really know of any. I haven't really used a lot of the other ones, but I don't really know of any other ones that I would say are better. Lewis, what other platform you use? I think you use TradingView, don't you? And NinjaTrader? Zero Charts has a big learning curve. Get used to the platform. Yeah, Lewis. A big learning curve. That's an understatement. NinjaTrader and TradingView. That was one of the first futures platforms I used was Sierra Chart. Oh man, the things you can do. You can take an indicator from a completely different chart and bring it over to the chart you're on. Different time frames, different charts. You can trade on you can have the NQ chart, but trade the MNQ on it. You can plot an indicator from the ES chart. All your indicators have so many custom options. What do I have? 1.5 seconds. Oh, look at all those nice trades I missed today. Again. Fuck.
Did you restart your stream, or you're continuing through?
No, I restarted.
You did?
Yeah, because starts using too much CPU, so I restart the programs.
Shit, I had another 100 points there. 156, almost all the way up to 256. Let me get rid of one, if I can. There we go.
Missed all my trades again today.
Strategy. Starboy, good morning.
How come it never happens that like I miss trades and it's like, oh, that was the one lost for the week? Has that ever happened?
I'm sure it has. There's the 100 points on the other piece.
Addis is really good for order flow and volume. Sweet. Thanks, Skeletor.
Closed. No, the NQ's working weird. The NQ is working. The NQ NinjaTrader is working weird.
Skeletor, I will say that Quantower order flow and volume is really good too. I think Quantower is kind of a happy medium between like NinjaTrader and a lot of those order flow platforms. I remember Quantower years ago used to be terrible. That was like one of the first ones I tried. And it took up so much resource. You couldn't use it. Used Thinkorswim for a while, didn't like it. Lewis, I hated Thinkorswim.
Oh my God, that was my favorite platform. It was phenomenal. Hold on a second.
Whatever he's trying to say. Now, Thinkorswim was so slow and buggy and nothing ever worked right. And the amount of resource it took was just crazy. Lewis, I called, who was it? I think it was TD Ameritrade back then. I called him up. I'm like, look, you're charging me like $5 commission for a futures trade. Might have even been more than that. I don't even remember. It was crazy. I was like, look, we got to get this down now. AMP Futures is charging me like 53 cents. You're charging me like $5. And they're like, oh, but we have the best platform in the world, Thinkorswim. I'm like, you fucking joking me, man? You fucking serious right now? I think the best they would do was like $2. Like, you want to charge me $2 for every trade, it's every buy, every sell, and AMP charges me 53 cents? You're crazy. I got to go.
I gotta go. My wife's calling.
All the guys kept saying, man, we got the best platform in the world. It's so amazing. I'm like, the damn thing never works. He's like, well, for options trading, it's really good. I'm like, I don't trade options. Like, give me something I can use. I trade stocks, I trade futures.
Mhm.
Give me
That
something
is
I can
true.
use or I'm gone.
It was really good for options trading.
Then they try to beg me to stay with them. Oh, we could do that. We could do this. I'm like, nah, I'm not interested, man. I gave you a chance. I guess he didn't think I was pulling all my money and even going. Like, I'm ready to shut down all these accounts. I'm out. Like, damn, we didn't think you were that serious. I gave you a chance, man.
Isn't it funny that they give you everything you want only after you leave?
Yeah. Oh, the other straw that broke the camel's back was I told him I wanted how do you put it? I told him I wanted my money that was sitting in my account. I wanted it put into money market accounts when it wasn't trading. And he's like, you can't do that.
Yeah, you can. I do.
I'm like, well, I do. First off. Second off, your platform sucks. You have nothing to offer me. So I'm ready to cancel my accounts. Like, you'll be getting a message later today. If that's the best you guys can do, you haven't kept up with the market. I'm sorry, gotta go.
Mm.
Because all of my money, including my bank accounts and everything else, go to a money market fund. And I think they're pulling in almost 4% right now. So why do I want money not making money? If your money's not working for you, you're in the wrong spot. Was I in a trade? Guys, I was in a trade, y'all didn't tell me? Nope, didn't take it. Oh, I did take it. It was in the other account.
Wow, it just keeps going and going. I'm going to take another one lot off. 813, 800. Let's say that's good enough. That's good enough. I'm not going to be greedy. Let's wait for another setup. So far, so good. Green, 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 and green. That's what you want to hear.
I like it. I just wish the numbers were a little bit bigger. We could have included those other trades right there. And I would have liked it to have been on the right account. But it's fine. Worry about that later.
Yeah, you know what? It was kind of weird. I had to reply multiple times. Futures floor, like I replied to Dan a couple of times.
Mm-hmm.
I wrote him just a fun word in Greek, malaka. And, he made a joke back, and I said, I thought you said you didn't speak Greek, but it didn't come out. I had to rewrite it. I don't know what's going on. It's like it's filtering it's almost like saying, hey, futures floor, you're chatting too much in your own chat. We're only going to,
Yeah, right.
we're only going to publish one out of every three that you that you write. I mean, seriously.
Well, I was having the same issue.
Am I not allowed to reply to my chats?
Lewis, guess last. Good for the market. Yeah. They're bullish now. What the heck's going on now?
LOL. Slow motors on. What are we doing? Volume 541, ATR 24. Okay, ATR's in a good spot. We're breaking through solidly the 15-minute opening range.
Lewis, did you watch it? What's going on with the country nowadays? Whatever happened there, I'm sure it was great, right? It's going to be great. It's going to be great.
Hmm.
You got an alarm.
19, targeting 26.
We did fill that gap. Anybody
Do
trade to
what I
fill the
can do.
gap?
Ah, I forgot.
Yep, we did go right up there and fill that gap. Now we should start seeing going into some resistance.
That's a strong day. Let me take a look at the daily. Sparky, don't bite me, please.
We're up 1.2%.
This is the first day that I'm seeing a decent amount of conviction to the upside.
Mm-hmm. Hopefully we get a nice pullback at the end of the day. Maybe around 2 o'clock. Go shopping. Companies you want to buy?
PIGS.
Eggs? I loaded up some more Microsoft. That was like 30% down.
Hmm.
How many times in history? Go back and look how many times in history you can get Microsoft for 30% down. Like you go buy a brand new car, right? And you get the car you've always been wanting. You finally save up and you get to the dealership and they're like, well, unfortunately today we're 30% off. So you get it 30% cheaper. You're like, dang, man, I really wanted to pay full price. You know what I mean? Like, can I pay more if I want to?
Hmm. Wow. Look at the markets go.
Somebody liked something, didn't they?
Yep, I got to take my hand off the mouse because they're trying to suck me in. Oh, I forgot to tell you, Dan put the file in the Discord. That cache cleaner.
Okay. I'll have to look for it later. And you almost have to trade this on the hourly chart, don't you?
Hmm.
Hey, some guy overnight said, all you people trading the 1 minute chart are rookies. I don't know why people act like that.
I've heard it. I've heard it. I've heard a lot of stories like that. If you're a scalper, you're trading the low time frames, you'll burn yourself out. You're playing the noise. It's not possible to do well. I've heard it all.
Well, you always got the negativity from people. You know what? If you're trading
Well,
hourly
it's
chart,
probably a
you put on a lower time frame chart to take your entries.
It's probably a good general rule. I mean, if some guy's starting out, maybe you want to tell them, don't start out on the 1 minute. Learn with training wheels.
Mm-hmm.
Go to the 5 minute, 15 minute. It's calm. It's easy. You're taking one chart, less mistakes. We went short.
Everybody trades different. There's a million different ways to trade the market.
Mm.
Find your edge, trade it.
Well, larger stops, larger take profit, smaller size. The slippage and the commissions are a much smaller percentage of your overall P&L, which is a good thing. So that's the advantage to trading higher time frames.
Why is this?
But it's got to suit your personality.
Yep, find a style that suits your personality and build a strategy around it. Back test it, forward test it, sideways test it. Take it out for pizza, ice cream, sing it a love song, hope for the best. Like you sing your strategy a love song?
Every night before I go to bed.
Telling you, man. I don't get it, right? You see these people, they have a nice Mustang, souped up Mustang, right? They're out there rubbing it, massaging it, talking all nice and sweet to it. Man, you gotta have that kind of passion about your charts. Go to one of those car meetups, man, or a bike meetup. And them guys out there rubbing all over their bikes and stuff, talking to it all sweet. Man, that's the way traders need to be, man. Go to one of those car meetups. Go to one of those old car meetups, man. See the way they're talking to their cars and rubbing them, and like that's the kind of passion you need as a trader.
Right now, I need the markets to go lower. I have a feeling they're going to pop just a little bit higher. I'll wait it out.
Take a picture of your chart hanging on your bedroom wall. Man, you got a passion about that chart, man.
Well, look at the CVD compared to the move. The CVD didn't come up at all. I'm more optimistic for my short scalp now. As long as I don't see a spike in volume, we may see markets trade lower. Again, more cookie Sparky.
Trying to pronounce this name.
There we go.
Anane.
And a banana. And a banana.
I'll work on the name. Thanks for subscribing.
Whoa! Look at the volume on the CVD.
The guy yelling while I'm trying to tell you welcome to the team. That's Futures Floor. He does that sometimes.
Oh, I try to do it very often.
Dan Trader, message retracted. Dan, I'm going to assume you retracted your message because, guys, I don't retract messages. At least I try not to. I don't think I ever have. Maybe one.
You're a message retractor.
Unless
Uh-oh.
YouTube got you, Dan. I didn't retract your message. 10 ET reversal, or at least a pullback. LOL, yes, I did. I can't type. That's fine. Sometimes people type messages and they think we retract them. I try not to retract anybody's message.
Is NQ going to hold 25,300?
Yeah, the other day they got me in my own stream. I don't even know what I don't even remember what I put in. Oh, was
Yeah.
that so bad you had to delete my message? In my own stream.
1226.
You're looking for longs? Could see a scalp right here. Do we take it? Do we take it?
Nice. Nice. Or nice. Yeah, I'm starting to use the CVD a little bit better, not for bias,
Take it
just
there.
for
8 points.
just for extra confirmation. Like I was in the short
You got the short
and
term delta. What are you talking
yeah,
about?
and CVD was doing nothing. We were rallying a little bit, not rallying, but pulling back, retracing a
Is
little
that
bit,
still
but
the
we went,
1,000?
yep. So I said, you know what? I'm going to hang in on my short. We weren't going anywhere. And then that's why I yelled, because the volume really took a dump.
I'd make it a little bit smaller. Take your grab it at the side and pull it all the way over to the side.
Well, you got to teach me how to get rid of you said you can get rid of the numbers on the right side.
Yeah.
I want to get rid of that.
Yeah, make it as small as you can. Grab the side panel there and just move it all the way over.
Yeah, in a minute. I just went into another long.
Really, all you want to see is that push up, that push down, and that push up.
Mm-hmm.
Mine's at what, 59.54? Get rid of all that. Hey, yours looks about the same. I don't know.
No, but I'm gonna bug you to tell me how to get rid of those numbers on the right side, the scale.
That's a bit more difficult. I think there's a few things you got to do.
Mm.
I think you got to put it transparent.
Oh yeah. Right now okay, I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the space will still be there. I'll be back in a sec.
No, you get rid of the space. It's just a few things you got to do. Be better off Googling it. It's a process. Suni, good morning. It's going to be 25,400. Let's take a look. Keep in mind, we do have resistance to the left. See all this over here. I could see 25,400. What I was really looking for was this gap fill right here. We did fill the gap nicely too. A lot of strong pressure pushing up. Now we go up, test these highs here. That one's further back. Go for this one. See if we can break 25,465. I would assume we get a pullback though. Like we would like a kind of a pullback and then push up. Look at this thing, straight up, man. To the moon. Draw the moon over here. To the moon. Thing is, days like this get hard if you're not already in the trade. You don't really get nice pullbacks to get good entries. Did get this one. Quick scalp. See if it continues.
I will never eat a can of beans for breakfast again.
Yeah, you will. It takes us more than once to learn our lessons. We're stubborn.
I'm long. We're going down. I'm going to take a short at 45. That's an excellent price, targeting 33.
Fed speaker at 1040. Case of the bubble guts. Mike, you got the bubble guts?
Is that what it's called?
I like that.
I had multiple cases.
Mike, listen, don't trust the bubble guts, okay? Don't put your faith in the bubble guts. Look, run. Stop what you're doing and run.
Yeah.
You got the bubble guts. Just drop everything, run.
Woo! Ah. Not bad. Not bad.
A 2-minute chart looks broken. Just like straight up.
I do have to say, taking a partial and then holding the rest really does help the numbers.
Lewis, you take your trade already, or are you still looking? Yeah, we're starting to get that resistance, but could still push higher. All the bears trying to step in, could get stopped out, push it higher. Kind of a bad spot.
Once again, we pulled back up a little bit, but the volume isn't showing any increase at all. It could change, but
Yes, not nearly as strong. Let's take a look. Well, try to take a look.
Yes, yeah, you're right.
And that
Yes, it's coming off pretty strong, pretty hard, or harder than the NQ. NQ's holding nicer.
harder. You're looking at the same chart I'm looking at?
Yep,
He is dumped.
that's what I'm saying. It's coming down harder than the NQ.
not, not harder. It's fucking dumped.
Nah, come on. We're 68.90 all the way to 69.50, up 60 points, and now we're down 20, 1/3. Not even 20. Yeah, dumpished.
Let me throw
That's
the
the
ES.
German. That's the German word for dumped. Dumpished.
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 The ES gave back almost all of that move. You say all that, but you're not saying that it pushed from 930 and it's down to 934.
I'm keeping that secret.
Like, that's not slightly less bullish. That's like,
No.
now it's pushing. There we go. ES is still in an uptrend. So when the ES pushes, it wants to push the NQ with it. ES might have a case of the bubble guts. It might. I had to run to the shitter real quick. It's like, guys, I'll be right back. I got the bubble guts. Maybe that'll be the next poll. What gives you the bubble guts more? Beans, Taco Bell, or chili? What's the answer, Mike?
Beans.
Beans?
I mean, chili's got beans, so
That's
it's kind of the same thing. Chili's and beans kind of redundant.
Yeah, chili's kind of a mix between the beans and the Taco Bell, right?
Yeah.
That's okay. Well, we'll do beans or Taco Bell.
I hate losses. They bring your account balance down. Good morning, Ms. K.
Miss K, good morning. Trying to get my poll set up.
I need. I should put that thing up for gold also. The CVD. What?
Oh man. What gives you the bubble guts more, beans or Taco Bell? There you go. You think Mike's doctor's visit loosened them up? It might have. Mike loves the pain. LOL, definitely Taco Bell and Chinese food. Oh man, I could have put Chinese food in the poll. Yeah, it's too late now. It's beans or Taco Bell.
Chinese food is good.
Yeah, I know why. Mike, you know why Taco Bell don't have a playground, right?
No.
Hard to play when you're about to shit yourself.
But Chinese food doesn't give me the snuggle butt or whatever you're calling it.
Snuggle? Hey, what'd you say, snuggle butt?
I don't know what you called it, but whatever it is.
The bubble guts.
Bubble guts.
That's when you're holding your stomach and clenching your butt cheeks trying to make it to the bathroom.
Mm. I just call that trouble.
Pushing. I might take a long here.
No.
I've lost worse trades. All right, the pivot point. What we got? Let's see.
You're such a bugger, gold. I don't like gold.
I thought you couldn't trade gold.
An Apex, but you can trade it in Bullinox.
Oh, okay. I think Apex's issue with gold was, I think that's what all those guys were scamming on, was gold.
Yeah.
Apparently they were hedging gold and silver.
Yeah.
They had a whole group of them hedging back and forth.
Mm-hmm. Take a full-size lot. One of them moves like crazy.
But then they
Problem
weren't
is, there's
they weren't even getting paid out because the one guy had like 200 flags in a week or something, or 50 in a day or something like that.
the problem is there's the consistency rule. If you're going to make 30,000, well, then you got to do it 2-3 more times.
Yeah, but they didn't care about that because they weren't actually making money. They were saying, "Oh, look, we made $30,000 today."
Yeah, I got it.
But they weren't getting paid out.
Yeah.
That's the one that Apex threw under the bus.
Mm.
Worst place to have the bubble guts is in the train, sweating like you have a fever. Oh, goodness. Wait, don't they have bathrooms in train? They got bathrooms on the train. The one I was on, they had a bathroom, like 2 bathrooms every cart. You call it a cart? I don't know if you call it a cart or not. I might be wrong. Yeah, the one I was on, I think it was Amtrak. They had a bunch of bathrooms. The thing I don't like about Bullinox is they only offer minis for gold.
I don't know. I'm trading micros.
They should offer micros, can't trade full size.
I am trading micros. MGC.
And Mike's trading micros. What's up? What's wrong, man?
And it is Bullinox.
Not on public trend, you don't. See, I was not talking about like Amtrak. Like, we talking about like going through the city or something? Try to find a bathroom on a train in New York. I guess y'all talking about like city trains. Okay. I was looking for that spike up, but we never got it. All right, city, yeah. One of the worst places to have the bubble guts when you go to a theme park. You stand in line, and the lines are like freaking an hour and a half long.
Mm-hmm.
Then you got kids with you, right? You're like, oh man, I gotta go shit. Then like I've been standing in this line, I've been standing here for an hour. And then like, if I leave, just gave up a freaking hour. We're going to have to come back. We're going to have to stand right here again for another hour just to get back to where we were. The kids are already getting restless. Because they really want to ride that roller coaster, but damn, we've been standing here a long time.
That's where you tell the people in front of you and behind you, can you hold my place?
Ain't nobody holding your place.
I'll be right back.
They're not doing it. Plus, they have in the lines, most of them, you have to go like through stuff. So you can't really get back to where you are.
Take it. Okay, we're going to cover the short probably soon. We'll watch.
Oh, man. Hey, and then you've been holding it for an hour and a half, right? You got the bubble guts. You've been holding it. Now you're on a fucking roller coaster. Oh, God.
Yeah, I'm trading MGC, Dan. Silver I don't trade, so I don't know. I couldn't tell you. But I am trading MGC.
You think these roller coasters, man, they need bathrooms at the end of the line or something like you need to go ahead and hit the bathroom before you get on this roller coaster.
I think I'm going to take it easy now.
Wonder how many people get sprayed on roller coasters.
Just go on YouTube and start watching the videos.
No,
there are plenty of
I don't
videos
want to.
like that.
I don't want to. Guys, that's why you always sit in the front, right?
Yeah,
or at least towards the front. Make your odds better. Now y'all know, next time you go to a theme park, you want to sit towards the front of the ride.
Yeah, but if it does a loop-de-loop and you throw up on when you're on the top, yeah, by the time it falls to the bottom, it hits you in the face.
So we gotta
it's
do
your own vomit.
We gotta do everything we can to make our chances better, right?
Oh, really? Come on, Mike. Shit.
Where are we going, man? Somebody flip a coin, tell us.
I don't know. I was trying to short at like 02. Where are we going? I don't know. I'm going to take a break. I'm a little
Hey, right, you done took 5 today. Damn.
To have bubble guts, roller coaster, trains, water slides.
I mean, at least the water slide, right? You going down the slide and it all comes out. At least you kind of getting it bidet, right? Look at the bright side, I guess.
How about under the altar? And the priest is reading the "Do you take this lovely woman?"
I mean, that's just God trying to tell you something. LOL, all cleaned out. You get up, you're like, oh man, I feel better now, and just walk away.
9105. How is it trying to go up? Look at the CVD.
What about it?
No, it's just going down. Who's buying?
Well, people are buying. There's just the order there that's absorbing the buyers. The buyers got to break through that order.
Who is this asshole? Go away. I hope he loses a lot of money.
I would assume that if you had a book map open right now, you'd see a large order right there.
Mm,
The buyers are buying. Remember, cumulative delta is the strong buyers and sellers. That's the people
yeah.
fingering the buy button,
What are they doing to the buy button?
fingering the hell out of it,
Okay.
making it
See,
scream.
now there we go. There we go. Now we're moving.
You ever finger that buy button so good it starts screaming? Start saying things like, "Oh my lord, oh my lord."
Well, technically, you're fingering your mouse. I'm just saying.
You ever heard that? Was it Ted Nugent song? Make it purr with the stroke of my hand.
Mm,
She knows she's getting it from me. I think that was Ted
what do I
Nugent.
want to do? What do I want to do? What do I want to do? I'll do this.
Remember, not supposed to diddle in the middle, at least while trading. Yeah. I think that's the range trader saying, isn't it?
Mm,
Don't diddle in the middle.
mm-hmm.
I think trend traders, they like it come back to the middle and then trend up or down. So many different ways to trade. And all you have to do, your only job as a trader, is to find one of those ways that can make you 10, 20, 30 points a day.
Mm.
The NQ makes 10, 20, 30 points several times a minute. Like every 5-minute candle has that in it.
17-point range on the 1-minute candles.
See?
We kind of got a 15-minute opening range retest about 4 minutes ago. Depending, I don't know exact. It's possible.
All you got to do is find something that gives you the best chances of grabbing a few of those points. I mean, we all love the 100-point moves, but 10, 20-point moves pay the bills too.
6. What's 6 times 8? 48 points.
Another try for the long.
Yeah, you have to keep moving my little profit box up and down. We're going down, we're going up. I still haven't taken a partial yet. Partial is at 23, entries at 13, only 10 points.
We are still bullish. Bulls are still in play. Just got to chop everybody up first.
Yeah, well, if you have the CVD up or look at my CVD, look what it's doing.
Straight up.
Yeah, straight up.
Mm-hmm.
So
then,
what does it rotate lower or is this a really good buy area right here?
remember,
Pullback.
you don't use that to get into a trade. You use it as confluence for a trade. Like you want to see the setup and then see that. That's the last part of the equation. That CVD can drop at any moment.
Yeah.
You can tell we have large orders right here for sales. What's absorbing? You see the delta straight up like that. That's not moving. It's absorbing those orders.
Mm.
Sooner or later, if the buyers can't break through, they'll get exhausted and then we'll just drop. But we are still bullish. On the 5-minute, we came back to this gap. Bullish candle pushing up. I think we're going to push up, take
I
a
don't
new
know.
high.
I got to say we're bullish. I had 3 losing short trades. I
Retry.
didn't take them, but I'm looking at my thing. If I had 3 losing short trades, 73% probability trades, 3 of them lost in a row. The buyers are doing something right.
If they're ready to go. 5 minute looks like they want to. Still struggling. There you go. Just take it. Get my money. All right. Take a break. Another one in the books. Could have held it. Fuck it. I'll be back.
I'll be back. Guys, if you haven't had a chance yet to type in giveaway for the giveaway games, we'll be probably playing it soon. Get that in. If you've done it already, you don't have to. I'll tell you who's on the list, so you don't have to do it anymore. I got Miss K, Mr. Knife Art, Catastrophe, KSK, Olim KD, Bangs, Robson, AZ Anthony, Business Lens, Dan M Trader, Mikey 5741, Starboy Lewis, Pruitt. Anyone else? If you're there, you can type it in. Leonardo Monaco, deal me in. Skeletor, Leonardo, Skelly. Skelly typed it in twice. He gets 2 balls. I'm joking. Unless he wants to. Skelly, you want 2 balls? Always. Okay, Skelly gets an extra ball. One more person. Who wants an extra ball? Next person to say me. Got to say me, not yes. Next person to say me after Skeletor types in always gets an extra ball for the first game. In the meantime, I'll type in Skelly too. I widened the pits. The take profit pit is larger, but so is the stop loss pit. So it's going to be an interesting game. How's your day going? It's going good. It's going good. This is my day. That's my whole day. That's all I got at Apex. And I'm green in Bullinox, 1,196 in one account and 233 on another. So I'm having a good day. That's why I think I'm tired. I have a little bit of a headache. I always get these headaches. Oh shit, wait, I got a long trade. I'm gonna have to take it. Just a little bitty. Just a little itty bitty trade. I'm not gonna risk too much. Targeting 47. I'll add here 35 one time. Don't dump on me. Be nice. Don't like what the CVD is doing. Come on, one little buy push. Don't take my money from me. Oh, I'm going to have to get out. Almost. I'm going to lighten up. Don't like it. There you go. One piece out. Okay, there we go. Kind of hedged. Took a small loss. Now we'll see what happens on the other piece. At least if I lose, it'll be half as bad. And if I make money, well, it'll be less than what I intended to make. Wow, that's crazy.
Who's making money?
What? I said that's crazy.
It is crazy. You know what else is crazy?
No.
Skeletor, don't go outside, man. It's the Florida version of the apocalypse out there. It's cold, man.
The
Yeah.
smoke from the fires.
No, we don't care about that. It's cold. Florida people can't handle the cold. They're like, no, it's cold outside. No. Like zombies, we're fine with the zombies. Hurricanes, everybody talk about hurricane. Like that's just something we hype up to scare the Yankees out of Florida. But the cold, oh my God. You know what it does to your bones, man? We watch videos on YouTube of snow and get scared.
Did anybody type in me in your chat?
Me?
Me, the word me.
I don't think so. Were they supposed to?
Yep, maybe.
Oh, Dan did.
Dan? Who's Dan?
Dan's the guy you've been talking to all morning?
Oh, okay, did it on yours? Okay, Dan. Then Dan gets Dan too. I'll say.
He's like, who's Dan? Shit, I don't know.
Dan.
The guy you've been talking to all morning?
Okay, yeah, because I said the first person to type in me gets a second ball. I gave a second ball to Skelly. So I said, if anybody else wants a second ball, type in me.
Soon typed giveaway. Lewis, everyone's shorted. Now the market's going after their stops. Yep. Market took out all the shorts. Now it's ready to go short.
Giveaway prop.
Omnius Trades, you're down in Florida. Come up and visit Massachusetts. -10 last week. LOL. -10. Dan, you're not getting me to come anywhere talking about -10. Hell no. Skeletor, I know it's called left for work at 7:30. Oh shit, Skeletor. It was like 30 degrees back right at 7 that time. Dan, what am I, wood? Start calling him wood. Dan, he'd been talking to you all morning. He didn't even see your name. He's like, Dan? Dan? Who's Dan?
Look up from Dan. I typed me as well, Lewis. I got Sonny who typed in me. I got Dan who typed in me. Sonny Goo. Everyone shorted now. The market is going after their stops. Sunni, me.
Where you see
Sunni,
that?
me. I don't see.
Oh, Sunni did do it.
Yeah, Lewis, I don't see it. Are you sure you hit enter?
Who?
That's okay. Yeah.
Look up from Dan. I typed me as well. Look up from Dan. Lewis,
Look
everyone's
above Dan.
shorted now. The market is going after the stops. I don't see it. I don't know.
What other sport you stream on? Spot. TikTok a little bit, but not really. I don't think I can say that. Mikey, what does that mean? I did it. What did you do, Mikey? We were talking about the bubble guts. I typed in me. Yeah, it didn't show up. You know what? I don't think the chat is working well. It's not, things aren't showing up. Okay, I was only supposed to give one, but I give to everybody. Nike too. I have a name here, Leonardo.
Don't know that one. He is trying to break a trend line. NQ putting in an M pattern. Somewhat
So
M.
Suni has 2, Lewis has 2, Dan has 2, Mikey has 2, and Skelly has 2. And I have Leonardo DeMonico.
Right after you said 2 in my chat. Mike, you put it. Mikey, you put it in my chat.
Yeah, that's possible. It didn't show up. Doesn't show up. Think you guys are gonna have to start writing everything in twice.
Weird.
Yeah.
Mikey, put it on futures floor.
I put it on fusion floor. Yeah, it's okay. I put it in, Mikey. All you have to do is tell me.
Who knows what the chat does?
Well, let's move the problem.
Only 5 votes in our poll. What gives you guys the bubble guts more, beans or Taco Bell? Only 5 people voted. Man, I thought that was an important poll too.
Ling Ling. What was that beer you told me yesterday? Bling Ling? Dingling? Dingaling?
Yingling, America's oldest brewery.
Yingling. You sure it wasn't Dingaling?
I mean, they say you hear what you want to hear.
Maybe today's similar to yesterday. Make a move and then not much follow through. You remember what happened yesterday?
Oh, we did just have this huge move.
Yeah. Now we take a break.
I mean, it's up 233 points.
And then we go down again.
Also, if we go back out to the hourly, I said it earlier, there's a lot of resistance in this area. We're up here, so look to the left. A lot of resistance. So they just got all the buyers got in way down here, right? They pushed up. Now they have to have more time, get more buyers, more support. Plus, you got to get more sellers to get stopped out. Remember, price goes up when there's buyers and sellers that get stopped out. Price goes down when there's sellers and buyers that get stopped out. Every buyer at some point has to be a seller. And every seller at some point has to be a buyer.
What is on your mind? I definitely didn't hear Dingaling. What is on my... Oh, Dingaling. It's a beer that Omnius drinks. But I didn't know. Remember we were talking before about the Soul and the Corona, Dan? Yeah. So Omnius's favorite beer is called Yingling. So he was asking me about that. Yingling. He was asking me about that yesterday. If I know, I was going out to eat, and he said, "Go have ribs and some Yingling." And I said, "I don't know what Yingling is, but if it's a deep fried donut with powdered sugar, I'll order it."
No, you said that about the Prince Albert.
No, I said that about the Yingling. Yingling, Lingling. There we go. We're moving higher.
What'd you say about the Prince Albert? If it's a meal or something, I get it.
Yeah. I know you have all these fucking words I never heard of. They're all American words.
I don't think Yingling's American.
Dan, are you from Canada? No, you just said Michigan, I think, eh?
Massachusetts.
I didn't see the chat. I didn't see the chat. Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay, that's why you were talking about the cold. Omnius, are you done? Because I'm just going to get myself into trouble if I continue trading. I'm trying to push it.
Was looking
to
for a
make
long.
Are you really? Fuck off.
Still early. It's 10:42. Hey, we could remember what we talked about?
No.
About seeing if people wanted to hang out.
Yeah, you can do that.
I mean, you said you're done trading, right? Give you something else to do.
Well, you said something about long. I went long.
I never got an entry.
I didn't know. This is my PA.
Oh, God.
Down $30. It's okay. I know what I'm doing.
Don't ever take my advice. What the hell do I know?
I don't need your. I thought you never lose.
Do I not show you guys enough losses?
I thought you never lose. Yeah, volume's coming down a little bit.
People say
Let's see if we can.
People say you don't show your trades enough. I show my winners. People say I don't win enough. Show my losses. People say I lose too much. Everything I do is always criticism. No one's ever happy. I had a chart that stayed on the screen. All I did was show all my trades. Everybody was still mad. The chart's too small. Like, fuck, I got, 3 different charts? Trading different things? What the hell you want me to do? I have to start 2 different other streams?
Call this.
Copy my trades, you're going to lose. You know why? Because the majority of my trades are already closed by the time you even see it on the stream. Y'all haven't figured that out yet. Most of my trades last seconds. I start feeling like a swing trader at like 5 seconds.
What's the plural of Omnius? Is it Omni-I?
Or Omni-A? Omni-A?
Omni-A.
I figured you'd like that one.
Works.
Hey? Wait, who was it from Massachusetts? Dan, wasn't it? Dan, do you say A lot? Like A? I find out. Is that like, they do that in like the northern U.S. or is that just Canada?
It's just Canada.
Hey? We're on a mission. We got to find out, man. There's like, hey? I never heard that before until I met Mike. No, never. Hey? It's funny, though. Soon you know. Oh, it's funny the different things people say. Like different areas and different slang. I like it. You ever met those people that say, I ain't lying? I didn't say you were lying.
I ain't lying. Yeah,
I ain't lying.
I ain't lying.
I didn't say you were lying. What are you talking about? I never said you were lying. I ain't lying. I didn't say you were lying. What are you talking about?
Not the one that gets to me is I'll be honest with you.
I'll be honest with you.
For me, I'll be honest with you. For me, that sounds like someone saying, you know what?
I'm not
I
normally.
almost lie I lie all the time, but in this case,
I'm gonna be honest with you. Yeah, there's some funny ones out there. How about your surfers? Brah? Nah, brah. What? You call him a brah? Nah, brah. Call me a brah one more time, we're gonna fight. Ursling here is saying wicked, which you also don't say. Wicked. What do I say? I say sweet. Sweet. I guess you gotta have something, right? I would just call this the bubble gut market. It's just kind of turning and churning. Yeah, whatever. Hey guys, anybody want to come? Anybody want to come on the stream, hang out, talk to us? What y'all think? Anybody like talking? You feel like it? We'll bring you in Discord. Hang out for a little bit. Chat. Let us know. You don't have to have a camera.
Yeah, no camera. You guys just talk. We don't say anything. We're just gonna let you talk. No, you chat with us. What the fuck?
Yeah, we used to have people come on every couple days or so, hang out. It's been a while. Nope, nobody wants to hang out and chat.
No. There we go. Finally, we break lower.
It's okay. I wouldn't talk to us either. If I was walking down the street and I seen those two guys, they'd be like, hell no, I'm not talking to those guys.
You know what? The problem is a lot of the guys in the audience have been chatting, sending me DMs and saying, we really don't have anything interesting to say, you and me, We're never laughing. We're too serious.
Sunni's at work. That's cool, Sunni. Nah, no big deal. We just try to offer people sometimes.
Oh, shit,
Come on, hang out. Pups. I'm always at work. Do most of my trading between customers. Tablet setup and work van. That's the way to do it. Ain't nothing wrong with that. We used to have one guy that was in the car on the phone chatting on Discord. Mikey, look, you seen a ghost. You okay? I need to call Ghostbusters? Put you on the big screen. I don't think I got it set up right.
That was my concentrating face. I mean, that wasn't happening. I wasn't sticking my tongue out.
I don't think that one's. That's me. God, this guy's fucking up. Why are you looking at? God, get off of there.
Goodbye. I'm closing up. That's it. That's my day. Doo-doo. I don't know. We just changed. We just went short.
There we are.
I don't even know if I was shorting. Yeah, I was
Now
shorting.
my damn
I
camera
even
don't
remember
work.
what I was doing. Fuck off.
Golly. Where's my camera at?
I want to short a little bit. You see, this is what happens when you keep a gunslinger in the corral.
Camera works and it don't work.
We were
Works,
supposed to
don't
close
work.
up. All I do is keep pressing buttons.
Where the hell is my camera? This one?
Ooh, that's nice. There we go. Okay, fuck it. It's enough. 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 It's enough.
It's enough. Damn, calm down.
Cancel all orders, positions, flatten everything. That's it. These are my numbers for the day. End of story. It's enough. 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 It's enough.
Man, your plot got messed up.
Top step.
You don't get a
Closed.
plot. Work on it later.
Accounts, orders. I'm fucking hungry.
Ready to trade
Cancel
futures like a
orders,
pro?
position.
Omnius Trades gives
Flat.
you the edge you need
After
to
all those
succeed in this
bubble
market.
guts,
Click
I
the
now
link
have
to
room in
learn
my
more.
stomach.
Trade futures with Omnius Trades.
Close. Yes. Orders. Cancel all orders. Positions.
Cancel all
flatten
orders.
everything. Okay. Anyways, right. Right? Omnius?
What? What happened? I didn't do it. What did I do?
Right. These are good enough, these numbers. I don't need more.
Good to me?
Yeah, don't need more. It's always more. That's my problem. And then what happens? Then in an hour from now, when I fight for more, because now I'm not trading. Now I'm trying to manipulate my numbers.
Trading's a crazy game, isn't it? You go to work, you make $200, $300, $400, $500 a day. You're like, man, been a hard day's work, made a lot of money. Then you come here to trade and you make $500, $600, $700 a day, and you're like, man, I ain't make no money.
And if I keep playing the numbers, what you're going to see is a sea of red. It's happened too many times. That's why I said to myself 1,000 times, it's enough, it's enough, it's enough. Like, get it in your head, Mike. Come on, seriously. That's good. The day is over. Come back tomorrow. Do it again.
Breaking
It's
back
11
into
o'clock.
open range.
I want to play the game already. I'll tell you why. I changed it.
I don't care. I mean, I don't know if people are ready.
I don't care.
Had to check if my mic, I'll join the Discord. Okay, next time. What time do you guys normally trade to? Dan, we normally trade to 11:30, 12 o'clock, something like that. Sometimes we get off early. It's different. Depends on how we feel, how the market's going, what we're doing. We can play the game if you want.
I'm going to look at it. I'm going to see how it's looking. I didn't change the background. Didn't get time to that. I did so much stuff yesterday, but I didn't get a chance to change the background.
Dan had to check his mic. We can get Dan to come on if you want.
Sure.
Dan, go to Futures Floors Discord, and you'll see a channel that says live on stream. Dan, quick disclaimer. You click on that channel, you're going to be on stream. Don't say later that nobody told me I was going to be on a stream. Also,
It'll
turn the stream down a little bit, or the music down. When we see you there, we'll click over. Nobody there right now, Dan. So when we see you there, we'll click over.
And Omnius will be there probably 2 minutes before me. Maybe I should just go practice.
I haven't done it in a while. I gotta remember which channel to turn on.
Where is Dan? I'm gonna try something else actually. Dan M.
I think it's these two. Interesting. I haven't tried it in a while.
There you go.
You there? I don't see him. There he is. All right, switch over. Been a while. Been a while. There he is.
Yeah, we'll keep the cameras off for up.
Oh, we got different cameras.
Closed. Make sure I don't.
Oh, it's been a while.
We are still streaming, guys. Even though nothing is up.
Yeah, we hear you, Dan.
Good.
What am I looking for? Oh, this one.
Sorry, I gotta reset it up, Dan. It takes a minute.
Yeah, no problem.
We're in the public?
Yeah. You turn the public on?
Yeah, it's not being picked up.
You turn the mic on?
Oh, there it is. Somehow it's somewhere else. My mic is on.
I can hear you, yeah.
Ah, yeah, the private channel. Yeah. Okay, got it.
Be good on mine. Dan, how's it going?
Good, good.
Good. How's trading today?
Not bad. Depending on the open, I usually wait for the IB, the first hour to set up.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to take some longs here and there.
Yeah, that's a good thing to do. Sometimes I tell myself to do that also. I could just never get myself to do it, but not waiting for the IB, but the first half an hour.
I haven't had
10 o'clock.
I haven't had a choice because the way my Ninja Trader's been lagging last week or so in the morning.
My trading would be so much more stable, or my results would be so much more stable if I can get myself to do that.
Mike, turn your camera back on.
Yeah, I am. I'm working on setting stuff up, getting the charts back up also.
Guys, anybody?
I turned over trades, so that's why I put the 1 hour, the weight on.
Oh, yeah. Well, what helps me is I normally trade, I have a range bot that trades in the morning, but normally takes the morning trades for me.
Yeah.
And then that allows me to manual trade after that.
Yeah, sometimes I trade the Globex too, like the first hour with the Globex. When Asia opens up, it's usually a little, sometimes, usually it's dead, but sometimes it's moving okay.
Yeah, I trade them sometimes when I'm doing other stuff, but I'm not as focused. And it's different. I trade different then. Instead of more trend strategies, I use more of a like average and in strategy. Because I find normally then if you just you pick your direction, average in a little bit, it normally goes sooner or later.
Yeah.
Just got to have a good stop out point.
Like a 1 hour break.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. Yeah, Mike should make that bias video he was talking about. It definitely gets stuck in a bias sometimes when it's moving slow. Like, you know, as soon as you get out, that's when it's going to turn around. So you stick with it, and then before you know it, you're way over your risk.
Yeah, the Globex Open has got me a few times like that. And I just got to remember, you know, that's what the stops are for. Just suck it up like a man and take it.
Okay.
Most of the times, though, I come out ahead. But yeah, sometimes you get that bias, and averaging in just gets you in trouble. That's why I don't trade that way during the day, the daytime. You get in a lot more trouble during the daytime doing that.
Oh yeah, more times than not, it's against you too far.
Yeah.
I'll disagree with you. I've gotten slaughtered having a bias on the open because, like I said, I jump in very, very quickly. And, you know, and if I get in my head, we're going to take out the pre-market range or something, and it's going against me, and I start adding.
He's like, I disagree with you, but then he agrees with us.
No. You're saying about the open. It's very damaging.
No, the Globex Open.
Ah, okay. I was talking about 9:30. I got killed with that.
I was saying you don't use a strategy like that during the New York Open. That's where you get in trouble.
Yeah, yes. Okay. So I was agreeing. Yeah, I've gotten into serious trouble with that. Very aggravating. Very aggravating because I should know better. And you know what? You remember I said the other day I'm creating a little file of you know, all the kind of rules that you should have in your head, and there's so many of them, and they don't all come up on the same day. I'm gonna add that to my list because it's gonna be good for me, and eventually, when I make a video, it's gonna be good for whoever gets that list also. No, don't marry the bias. Don't marry a bias.
I feel like when you have a strong bias, you got to put a stop loss somewhere, right? I'm a fan of always having a stop loss on the chart. Like you got to draw the line somewhere.
Yeah, it's called a DLL. Many accounts that way.
Oh, here it goes. Don't marry the bias. Take a setup if you have one. That's your job to execute. Maybe a little larger size because you have the bias and you think it's an A++ or whatever. But stop out like normal. And the problem with me is I wouldn't stop out like normal. I would, let me give it a little bit more room because I had that bias.
Mm-hmm.
And then I give it a little more room and then, what if I add here and I just try to get back to even? You know, it's going to go. I have the bias. No. Don't marry the bias. Have it. Let it help you. Just like you were telling me, Omnius, with the CVD. Just use it as a confluence, you know. Okay, you have the bias, and but still, you still need the setup. You need the legitimate setup. And you can authorize yourself to take it a little with larger size. But take your stop. Dan, how'd you find the channel? Just browsing. I caught that long from 25-120. Wow, nice bangs.
Yeah, I think the other day it came across recommended in the stream. Or, YouTube, recommended.
Oh, cool. In the overnight broadcast, or and soon you'll know why I'm asking. What the hell is my cumulative delta? In the overnight broadcast, or sorry, I didn't hear that.
I think it was the other day. I think so. I think it was the other day, one of the recorded lives.
Yeah, because in the overnight, just to let you know, look over Omnius's shoulder, top right on your screen. If there's a red flashing dot, the charts are live, the trades are live. If I chat by typing, that's live. But the hosts, me and Omnius, the two hosts that you see, and the audio, that's a rebroadcast from the previous day. Oh, okay, yeah, that's why you were hearing the What was it? What did Trump? State of the Union.
State of the Union.
That's
Yeah,
why you were
yeah.
hearing references to State of the Union. Yeah. So it gives people a little taste of how our New York Open live stream goes. And we run it through the night. So like I said, the trades are live.
Yeah.
I still get to walk forward test my my strategy here. Just the only thing is,
Yeah. I like how.
I told Omnius that we should stream through the night and the entire day, 24 hours a day. But he says he's old now. He doesn't have the stamina to do 24-hour a day streaming.
Yeah. Well, I like how you guys do it. It seems more real. I like all the other streamers. Never take a loss. Making money hand over foot.
Yeah.
Nah, we try.
More real trading.
Yeah, we try to be more realistic trading, not all that. I make $30,000 a day. Hey, did you see that the Apex was calling out one of the YouTubers? Who was it, Brian or whatever?
Silent Mind, Blockwire.
All these different scams they were doing, showing people they making $30,000 a day. Turns out they weren't making anything. They were lying to everybody.
Flipping. Account flipping. Yeah.
Yeah, there's too much of
Making money
that.
somewhere, but not, yeah.
All these other YouTubers are trying to compete to who's making 50 grand a day. I mean, I don't think people understand large numbers. If you're making 50 grand a day or 30 grand a day, that's a lot of money.
Yeah, I would say so.
Like where's the mansions? Where's the private jets?
The IRS would like to talk to you too.
Yeah. The IRS.
Soony. I'm gonna go.
Wall Street would love to get your number.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go back to Soony here. I didn't see your comment there, Soony. I just saw it now. When is enough? Soony, yeah, that's a problem. When is enough? Yeah, I have to establish that and quit. When is enough for me? I've said it many times, and I don't follow my own plan. I don't follow my process. I try to make $75 to $150 on most of my accounts. If I'm getting a little aggressive with the evals, like some of those are evals there, the 670 is an eval, I'll try for 300. So 450 is a spectacular day. So 177, that's my goal. 450, I hit. That's what I'm saying. It's enough, like stop it, Mike, because what I do is I start forcing the trades, and I just get myself into trouble. I mean, it's bad enough I click the button so many times. So yeah, when is enough? Well, when is enough needs to be established before the trading day starts, and you should stick to it. That's when enough is enough. And Bangs, you're long from 302. How can you be long from 302? We didn't even get there.
Yeah, we do. What are you talking about? What you got there?
Oh my God, look at my charts. Look at my data. My data is moving, but again, the charts are...
See, that's what was going on with my charts. That's why you need a lag time indicator. We're at 302, we're at 304 now.
0.75. Can you see it? It's showing no lag.
It's showing no lag.
What are you? Lag on the chart?
Oh wow, your chart's frozen. That's not lag. That's gone.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So again, to go back, when is enough on the upside and on the downside? That all needs to be predetermined before the trading day starts. And you should have a personal daily loss limit or a daily loss limit if it's enforced by the company. Honestly, I think the DLLs that everyone gives you is way too large. $1,000 or $1,200 when you have only 2,500, that's a lot.
I would say if you need more, add another account. You don't, I mean, if you need more money, you need more capital. You don't need more trades, If you need a percentage of your total account, So if you need more money, add another account. That's what we can do with prop firms. That's great. We can copy trade, add another account. You know, instead of trying to make $1,000 a day, have 2 accounts, make $500 a day. You want more? Add another account. You got $1,500 a day.
Yep.
You want more? Add another account. You got $2,000 a day.
It's genius. It really is genius. And I'll tell you what else is genius. Take one loss in that one account and move to the next one. You'll never damage any of your accounts.
Also that. Take your losses, set up what are you comfortable making a day? What are you comfortable losing a day? You know? What's your stretch? Different for everybody. It's not just you can't have a blanket like order on it. You just gotta figure out what's working for you. Also, what's working for the market, man. Some of those if we're getting 30 ATR or something, you gotta trade different. Sorry, good.
No problem. No, I was saying I like to stick to 10-12%, like on an eval of the actual account size. You know, so, $2,000, $200, something like that.
Yeah, exactly.
Perfect.
That's always what I said. Cut it up in about 10 pieces. Also, even for the daily loss limit. And I mean, if you have edge, you're good. You're golden. Anything more than that. And if you're struggling and losing accounts, we're just beating ourselves. We're giving the prop firms money.
Yep. If you need more, add an account.
Bunch of forced errors. They get so much money from forced errors or unforced errors. That's it. Not forced errors, unforced errors.
If you're making $200 a day on one account, you add another account. That's $400. Build it up. Add another account. That's $600. You know.
You guys copy trade at all?
I did quite a bit of copy trading with the Apex copy trader, and I had a lot of bad results with that. It just was always screwing up for me. And then I was copy trading with Project X, and I loved it. I couldn't say enough good things about it because it's not a copy trader; it's a copy result. It's a trade result copier. So it really only takes the trade in one account, and then when you close the trade, it applies the balance of what you made or lost to the other accounts. And for me, I mean, that's
really?
golden. I love that because you just don't have to worry ever about being out of sync anymore. It was golden, really.
No slippage.
I copy trade, but
yeah, no nothing. No out of sync, no slippage, no nothing.
I copy trade, but what I do is I trade in groups. I normally trade in groups of 2 or 3 or 4. Depending on how many accounts I'm trading. And then I separate my accounts. So some of them are going off of the morning bot that I trade. Some of them I trade manually. And don't really, the Super Trend bot, I don't really run that one on the accounts, but I normally take the trades manually.
Yeah.
Because I use that in confluence with other stuff. The Super Trend's basically how I trade normally, manually. So I look at that and then look at it in confluence with the 2-minute chart, hourly chart, stuff like that.
Well, the plan is for me is to build up my PAs, and then I'm going to go back to the amount of that I have, and then I'm going to go back to copy trading with Trade of 8. Definitely not using the Apex one anymore.
Well, my setup is if one of my setups is having a bad day, then I hope the other one's having a good day, or at least a decent day, kind of averages it out. And then there's always those days that just red all across the board. What can you do? You got your green days across the board, and you got your red days across the board. Try not to look at it, forget about it, come back tomorrow, and the good thing is we have short-term memory.
We talked about that, Omnius, especially when you keep the losses small. And you keep your total loss small, you come back the next day, shit. I wouldn't even remember what my balance was at. It was like,
oh, yeah.
No big deal, Game time, Lewis.
Game time.
Games.
Yeah, we're so stressed out over a small loss. We got to get it back. If you just trade a different account or leave it, you come back the next day, you don't even remember what account it was in. Oh, I took a loss yesterday? Okay.
Lewis, I'm gonna kill you. I just opened up everything. Now I gotta close it and open the game again. Game time. I agree. Let's
Thought you
take
had the
care of
game
that
open.
slowly. I closed it. I was gonna watch the markets and take small trades while we were yapping.
This year I used to have you have a great day, say whatever, 500-600,000 bucks, and then you try to do it again the next day and you get it all back plus some.
Yeah.
Instead of sticking to the usual, whatever you have set, 200 or whatever.
I find that normally when that's happening is you get overconfident and you're not really waiting for the setups properly. Sometimes I got to get on to myself. I'm like, what are you doing? Was that a proper trade? Like, not really. Like, can we stop this shit and act like we know how to trade? I had that problem one day last week. I was sitting here in the Globex Open. I was doing other stuff and I was just kind of trading, not really paying attention. Kept getting further and further in the hole. You got to pull yourself aside like, hey, did you fucking quit this shit? You got a strategy. Act like you have it for a reason, Trade your freaking strategy. For being a jackass.
Or you try to get it back all in one trade. Because, the trade you shouldn't, try to get it all back.
Yeah.
Just goes against you.
That's the problem is we feel like we have to get it back. We have to do this. We have to do that. And really, we don't. You just got to let it go. Then when you start trading properly, you make it all back anyways.
Yeah, much easier. Less stress.
Yeah.
Instead of forcing trade.
Well, I take like the money value and stuff off my chart, so I don't really ever see how much I'm up or down. I kind of know depending on how many trades I've kind of lost. But all mine's set up to go by points. So if you ever see me in a trade, it's going by points. I don't even look at the board. I put it over on the strategies. So I find.
Yeah, I agree. I try that, but in the back of your mind, I know I lost that trade. But I agree. It's better not to look at the P&L, definitely.
Well, I know about what I'm going to lose in the trade. And I know if I've taken 2 or 3 losses in a row, I know I'm to a point I don't really want to take more losses. So what I'm going to do is I'm either going to lower my contract size and try to make it back slowly or just quit trading.
Yeah.
That whole raise your contracts and let's make this back real quick never seemed to work for me. It's always worked against me.
Never works out.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, usually.
That's always the losing trade. When you double your contracts, that's always the losing trade. Because you don't trade it right, right? Now you're scared, you're trading scared, you're looking at your profit, your P&L. You can't trade like that.
Yeah, close it out. The market gods will punish you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, me and Mike was talking before, even like full porting accounts and stuff. I don't know what it is. Like I'll be at the end of an eval. Of course, I don't want it to roll over, so I just full port it. And I swear the majority of the time I lose.
Exactly.
I don't even know how it's possible.
Yeah. Amazing how that works out, right?
Yeah.
It's insane.
Like I could take 10 trades a day, right? Win all 10 of them. And then be like, okay, I gotta hurry up and do something with this eval. Let me jack the numbers up real high, full port it. And it's always the loser.
Yeah, another $30 is really going to kill you if you wait another day.
Well, normally it's on
Don't let that either.
yeah, normally it's the subscription rollover. There's no point in letting your
Right, yeah.
like if you have a Bullinox, there's no point in letting it roll over. Just full port it. You either pass or you don't. Apex, same thing.
Yeah, yep.
I'll do that, and then like Bullinox, I have a whole line of accounts backed up. Then if I lose a master account or something, I just pay for another one, put it right up in its spot.
Yeah.
No point in paying to roll over an eval account. I mean, you're gonna pay anyways, so why not just full port it? Either win or you lose. If you lose, you don't lose nothing because it's being rolled over anyways.
Yeah, it's gonna be reset. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Omnius. You we all ready to go? Dan, ready to play some games?
Always.
The Femi, you're in. Blockwire. You know what? Let me just check the players list one more time. The Femi, you're in. Blockwire, Silent Mind, SP King, Prop and Drop, Suni, Lewis, Dan, Mikey, Scally, Leonardo, Pruitt, Starboy, Mikey, Dan, Business Lens. Everybody's there. Bangs, Mr. Knife Art, Catastrophe, Miss K. We're all good to go. Control, copy. Let's get the players in. Omnius, you want to be in?
So?
Omnius, you want to be in? You and me?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're in there too. Save and
No,
apply.
man, we want to hang out and play
Players
games
loaded.
too.
Okay. Hold on, let me see my what the hell was that?
What are we playing for?
Oh, it's true. Yeah, you don't know how it works. Omnius, give him a little Did I just lose everything? No, but everything's off my screen.
Uh-oh. Technical difficulties.
Give him a brief.
What are we playing for? Playing, I don't know. You never did say what account this week. You said,
Okay, well, it's a game where it's called Lead the Field. Hold on. Oh, shit. There we go. Okay, now I can think again. Whew, that was close. It's a game called Lead the Field. If you go in the take profit pit, you get 5 points. If you go in the stop loss pits, you lose 3 points. Everyone battling against everybody else. The winner, it's a 2-minute game. These are qualifiers. The finals is on Friday. And I don't know, we haven't really picked it yet. It's either going to be an account from Taurus Arena or from Bullinox. Right now I'm giving a little bit of a plug for Taurus Arena. I still haven't looked at their current specials. I haven't decided. But anyways, on Friday there'll be all the qualifiers, all the people who win the games during the week. We run 3 qualifiers usually during the week. And the winners advance to the final on Friday. But actually I think we're running 4 now because we run 2 with the players from overnight. And then we run just for the players who are hanging around in the chat and type in giveaway after those 2 qualifier games. So guys, if you're in the chat, stick around. Let's get it going. Quick. I wanted to do one thing. Task manager. Okay. Omnis, you mind if I don't share it in Discord? You're going to be good for today.
yeah, I'll be good.
I'll just be.
No,
I'll be the play-by-play announcer. That'll keep my CPU from reaching 100, so it'll play a little smoother because there's 30 balls in there. Okay, Dan, call it out. Fire or burst?
Fire.
Fire. Oh wait, I didn't do fire. Let me just put up the qualifier.
Wait a sec. Did you get
Yeah.
you get the ones from my stream?
I think so.
Both a couple.
We better check it.
me
You
who
got
you got.
Lewis?
I got Lewis.
Sure you got Lewis? You got
I got
Skeletor?
Lewis. I got Skeletor. I got Lewis twice. Lewis has 2 balls. Skelly's got 2 balls.
That's good to know. Now everybody knows that. You got Dan?
I got Dan. Dan's got 2 balls.
You got Suni?
Suni's got 2. These are all the me's. The me's. Pruitt.
I think Bangs was in your chat. Yeah, you got Bangs.
I got Bangs.
And then there was a few from overnight. Did you get those?
I think so, yeah. Robson, Camargo, AZ Anthony, Business Lens, KSK Family.
You get John Pruitt?
Pruitt's there. He's Pruitt in capital letters. Let's do it, Pruitt.
Who has no balls?
Was that Mr. Knife Art?
I got Mr. Knife Art.
Oh, I think that was. Never mind. All right, run it. We forgot somebody.
Run it.
It happens.
Okay.
Only,
Dan says fire. Fire
only
gives
human
it-
after all.
You're only human.
Only human after all.
Fire. Fire gives an advantage to the first players out, but Dan called it.
It's random.
Whoa! 2 stop outs. Sorry, guys. Whew, wrong speaker. There we go. Who do we got in the lead? Skelly 2 with a 22. Skelly 2 with 27. Trailing behind him is Dan. No kidding, Dan with a 17. Blockwire 14. Bangs 17. Skelly 2 26. Bangs and Dan M with 22. You're all one. Bangs. Bangs, I think you might have taken the lead there. Mikey, KSK going in the pit. Lewis going in the pit. Bangs again in the pit. Mikey. Oh, it's a 2-minute game. I don't know if I said that. Dan, you haven't found your way into the pit. You're just floating around, looking around. You haven't found your way in the pit for a little while. But you were doing good in the beginning. Just in case you want to look for your ball, you're on the right side of the board, number 13. Green.
Come on, Dan.
Not doing much. You're kind of like a tourist. You're just you're sightseeing.
Wasn't that Dan 2? And that Dan 2, number 5?
Hold on. I gotta get rid of this. What? Yeah, that's Dan 2, number 5. No, that's Dan. Dan 2 is somewhere else. Dan 2 is number 8. Skelly with a 48. Skelly was higher than that. Skelly 2 hit the stop loss pit a couple of times. Lewis 2 is trying to catch up. Whoa, nice job there, Lewis 2. 18 seconds.
Oh. I got pushed into the
Skelly's
stop.
got a big lead. Skelly 2, and he's going back in the pit. Skelly runs away with it. He locked it up. With that dunk, Skelly 2 locked it up. No one's catching him. A big 63. Skelly 2. Let me write that down.
Stop out was calling my name as usual. That stop out.
Good job, Skeletor. Guys, type GG in chat.
Can run off to a quick lead and hold it in 45 seconds. 3, 2, 1, burst. All out there. You have 45 seconds to get to the top. Catastrophe and Starboy. Catastrophe with 15 points. Catastrophe with 20 points. Starboy 15. Suni 15. Suni's tying Catastrophe with 20. We got a 4-way tie. Catastrophe, Starboy, Suni. Suni with 25. Starboy not far behind. 17 seconds. Suni has a fragile lead with 11 seconds. It's a tie. Catastrophe and Suni, 8 seconds. Oh, it's a 3-way tie. It's a 4-way tie. It's a 2-way tie. Catastrophe pulls it off in the last couple of seconds. Way to go, Catastrophe.
Good job, Catastrophe.
Okay. Weave on next. You know the drill. Hold on.
What's the drill?
Well, I wait up before I tell people the drill.
Ah.
I need to load.
Secret.
What's it called? Streamer bot. Takes a long time to open.
AD, thanks for joining us. How you doing today? How's trading doing today?
Always streamer bot.
AD, you said you're from Japan, right? What time is it in Japan? Other side of the planet.
You got about 12 hours. Man,
That's awesome, man. Thanks for joining us.
overnight.
a.m.
Wow.
Twinkle or Tinkle or whatever his name also was from. He's from Korea. Sprinkle. What was his name? Sprinkle, Tinkle, Winkle,
I don't remember. I think it was Sprinkle.
Sprinkle, Sprinkle the Tinkle.
It's great meeting people all over the planet.
Whereabouts in Canada are you, Mike?
Quebec.
He said the cold part.
Yeah, the really cold part.
Up in the Yukon. Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, I type in reset giveaway.
Hey, D, looks like you missed the giveaway. No, you did not. Type in giveaway. Think we're going to do one more or maybe two.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get StreamerBot to respond. Did I not type it in right? Let's try it again. SP King. No, not yet, SP King. I'm trying to delete the file.
Giveaway. Got it. AD, we're going to get you in the next one.
And it's not working. Let's try deal me in. Let's see if it replies.
AD, keep in mind that today is a qualifier. We're going to give away the account on Friday. So if you qualify today, come back Friday. And if not, still come back, hang out with us. Because we have a great stream. But today's for a qualifier. And we're going to be giving away the account Friday. And as more people come and more people play the games and the stream grows, we're going to be giving away more and more accounts. So you guys done trading? Yes, AD, for the most part. Is a trader ever really done trading? Maybe that's the next poll.
Okay, as Nefemi typed in giveaway, you guys know the drill. The next two games are for the people that hung around. So type in giveaway. Nefemi, I erased your name. Just type it in for me so it gets into the list. AD, Lewis, Dan, I'll put you in automatically. Pruitt, if you're there, type it in. Actually, no. Let me know if you guys are around. Dan's there. Dan, I know, is there. He's on the chat.
I don't know. Dan might have left.
Yeah. Pruitt, Lewis.
You never really know.
You guys there. Nefemi, SP King, Silent Mind, Skelly, Colin Skelly, Mikey.
AD just typed it in, so we know he's there. Lewis, you still there? Type in giveaway. No, we know you're still there. Put you in the game.
Louis Bino. I like that.
Louis Bino. That's a cool name.
No. Louis DeBino.
Have you guys been on YouTube for a while? I'm just curious.
Yeah, I think 8 months, I think, me and Omnius.
What was the question?
Huh.
How long we been on YouTubing? How long we been tubing?
Yeah, something like that. It's a long, slow journey.
Yeah, definitely. Once you get the ball rolling, then hopefully.
Yeah, it's been going pretty good. Last few months. It's hard during the day though. There's just so many people out there trading, and YouTube likes to send everybody to these bigger streams. So it's just hard to.
Algorithm.
Yeah, it's hard to fight the algorithm. YouTube's not really for the smaller guys.
Yeah.
but we'll work our way up just like everybody else, right?
Yep. Just like trading. Slow,
Yep.
slow and steady.
Slow and steady. Don't mind it. Gives us a chance to improve the stream and work on the things we need to work on and make more of a connection to the people on the stream and stuff like that. So far it's great.
Hey, welcome, Iraq.
Suni, I will be streaming nights in the future.
Oh, cool.
That's cool. Check it out.
We'll do a co-stream. A tri-stream.
We'll do a co-stream or something.
Yeah.
There you go.
We'll hook up. Bum. Okay, so I got Dan, I got Skelly. Lewis, you're there, right, Lewis? You didn't take off. Well, you know what, Lewis, even if you're not there, there's been so many times that you didn't get a ball.
Maybe that's why he was asking about the game earlier. Maybe he had to leave.
Yeah, I'm putting him in anyways. We stole so many times. Was it 3 times he wasn't in the games?
There he is. He's there.
There you go. I put you in already anyways. Pruitt, are you there? Mikey, Miss K? So far I got SP King, Silent Mind, Louis DeBino, Blockwire, Nefemi, Dan, Skelly, AD, Arak, and Lewis. File, save. I give you a little bit more time and we're going to start. Going to load these names up in the meantime. Copy, close, put them in.
I like there's people there that's not typing in giveaway. Guys, this next game is for the people that are here now. So maybe you typed it in earlier. So if you haven't typed it in now within the past few minutes, type in giveaway.
Yeah.
Or at least let us know that you're here, because we want to do a game for the people that are here now. For the people that hung out with us. Miss K. Mike, you got Miss K?
Boom. I do now.
Miss K, we are.
I do now.
Miss K, we are in the public chat. If you want to come chat with us on Discord.
Miss K.
We got Dan with us now. You don't have to have a camera. You can if you want. It's up to you.
Suni's here. Let's check Suni. Did I get Suni in? Ding.
All you need's a microphone, or even from your phone. Don't matter.
Suni, save and apply.
Suni's here.
Got Suni. Mikey, you're not around?
You don't want to see me? You don't have to have a camera on.
Yeah, there's no camera. Who just jumped in? Someone jumped in now. That's it. Now we just talk.
That's Mikey right there.
That's Mikey?
That's what it says. It says, that's Mikey.
That doesn't mean it's Mikey.
Mikey, is that? That's not really Mikey, is it? You're not talking.
Okay, we're going. We got the 15 players. It's good enough.
Mikey, the way it works is you talk. Other people hear you.
Third time the charm. Here we go.
That's me.
Or second time.
The Frenchie's sleeping.
Frenchie's sleeping.
Okay, let's get back up to a 2-minute game. Where's the timer on this? Peg size. Anybody know the specials at Taurus Arena?
Miss K, one day you'll come hang out with us and talk to us. You don't need a camera. Maybe not today. Maybe another day. One day you'll come hang out and talk with us.
Apply. Ooh, I'm blowing the wind on this one. Sorry, guys. I like wind. I make it hard on you guys. 35.
Oh. First you had your belly turning. What do you call it? The bubble. First you had the bubble guts. Now you got the wind blowing.
Bubble guts are coming back here.
Now the wind's. You know what? I'm going to make it really hard on you guys. Fuck it. You guys are going to be sticking to the right wall like a bunch of, you know, when you go to the carnival and that thing is spinning and the floor goes away, you're all stuck on the wall from centrifugal force. We're going to have hurricane winds going to the right side. Let's see if you guys can get through. Apply settings.
Mikey, if you're talking, we don't hear you. So if you are talking, probably you have yourself muted. That's generally the cause. So you're not muted
Look
on
at it
here.
go.
So if you're trying to talk and you're not, it's because you have yourself muted.
No,
Don't have
he
a
doesn't
mic.
have a mic.
Oh, okay. Wait. That mic doesn't have a mic?
Mike doesn't have a mic. Mike is micless.
No
What is
mic,
th-
Mike.
What is that mic?
I can't wait anymore. I'm too eager.
Go.
Too bad for you guys. Burst. Remember, strong wind blowing to the right side. Actually, it doesn't look like it's really blowing too much to the right side.
You put Lewis in there?
Lewis is in there. He's leading. He's in second place.
Good luck, Lewis.
Louis DeBino is leading with 30. He's got the longest name, so it's hard. He's the hardest player to blow over to the right side. He's got an unfair advantage. Omnius, wow.
Taking it. Got to
Mikey
fight.
goes into the enlarged stop-out pit. Dan knocked in. Dan got a nice bump.
All right.
Dan back in the bump again. 24. Dan's moving up fast. Skelly,
All right.
Dan's going again. Lewis, AD, SP King, Dan. Second place.
Oh, Louis pushed me out of
Oh.
first. Dan pushed me out of
Nice.
second. Oh, God.
Guys, follow Dan's ball. He looks like he might float back in again, but the wind really blew him. No, he got a beautiful bump.
Dan
Took it. He took it. 44. Dan's floating on the right side. I'm watching Dan. Oh, Dan just got stopped out.
Get it, Dan. Get it, Dan. Omnius coming back to take it.
Dan's on the left side of the board. Now he's in the middle. He's going to float in. Boom. He just got it a few more points. I think that was Dan. I don't know.
Who else we got?
Dan stopped out, going backwards.
Nefami and
with
SB
39.
King.
SB King. Nefemi and Dan are battling it out. SB King. We got a few people fighting for it. Dan gets a few more points under his belt. Mikey, Louis, Eric, AD, scoring. Future scoring.
Where's AD at? 11?
Omnius takes it. Guys, if Omnius wins, we rerun it. But no, Dan. Look
It was
at
a
Dan.
fight between Omnius and Dan. Let's do it.
SP King. 8
Going down the
seconds.
wire.
Omnius, SP King, Dan, Silent Mind.
Oh, it's coming
SP
down
King
to
takes
it.
the lead.
Oh, it's a fight.
SP
Oh.
King
Oh.
pulls it out.
Oh, at the last second.
Oh,
SB King took him.
man.
Wait, isn't SB
One of
King?
those days.
SB King's the one that's already won like three accounts, isn't he?
Yeah, he's won 3 accounts already.
I don't know what SB King does, man. He really lubes up those balls or something.
Yeah. Okay, the wind wasn't strong enough. I'm really pumping it up. I have no idea what this is going to do to you guys.
Just went to Discord. I'm in the public live. AD. Who else is there? Lewis. Guys, you have to go to Mike's Discord. Future Floor's Discord. Sorry about that.
Louis.
Uh,
Louis, you were doing good there for a while, or Louis D.
I don't think I have a link to his. Let me see if I can get a link to his Discord. Be down here, right?
Yes, he's breaking to a new high.
Mike, where's your link to Discord? Oh, there it is.
It's there somewhere.
Guys, that's the wrong Discord. Sorry about that. Click on this one. Go to the live on stream chat. AD Lewis. Lewis left mine, but he don't see him in yours. AD, click on the Discord link in the chat now, and they'll take you to Futures Floors Discord. There you will see live public chat, live on stream. The SP King says he's muted. I didn't mute him. He must have muted himself.
Yeah.
AD, you're still in my Discord. You're not in Futures Floors Discord. The link is in the chat.
Yeah, the volume is. Oh, there we go.
There he is.
There's AD.
Don't see Lewis. Lewis, was you jumping in the chat? You're welcome to if you want to.
Hi, guys.
Hello?
Hi. It's me, Eddie.
AD, cool. Thank you for joining us.
Eddie. Sure.
Let's check and see if anybody...
Am I picking up a French accent?
Yes. French, Portuguese.
Oh, that's cool. Mike, you knew that French accent, didn't you?
Picked it up, yep. But I can't talk right now at work. SP King, okay.
That's fine.
Hey, what's up?
Skeletor, Skelly.
Just to say hi.
Skeletor, appreciate you stopping by to say hi.
Yeah.
Are you from Portugal, AD?
Yes.
Okay.
Portuguese.
Yeah.
He's raised in Montreal.
Ah.
Lewis about to have some lunch. That's cool, Lewis. We'll maybe next time we have the chat open, jump in.
If you're still in Montreal, we're neighbors. I'm in Laval.
Oh, damn. I'm just next door then.
Yep.
But
just
I'm in Japan. I'm in Japan now. So.
Ah, okay. Well, not so close anymore.
And I do go back, family is there, so I go back.
That's cool.
You ready to go, Omnius? We run the last one.
Yeah, let's do it, man.
Let's do it. Burst. Did I write down the?
Well, you let the other guys decide.
They said yes. You weren't listening.
Fire or burst? AD, fire or burst?
Sorry, guys. What was that?
Fire or burst?
Fire.
It is.
Everybody likes fire.
First one out has an advantage. Let's see who's out.
It's random.
First one out is SP King and then the Femi. Let's see. Let's see if it gives a difference to them. But no, they didn't go in the pit. Whoa! I do see the wind. The wind is blowing strong to the right. Watch when a ball is coming down. I love it. Some of you guys are going to be stuck on the right wall there. Who we got in the lead? AD and Blockwire. Points are going to be low. A lot of people are going to be stopping out. SP King, check out SP King's ball. Look when they're going up. Omnius, look when they're floating up, how they blow to the right side.
Yeah, you got everybody huddled over there.
I'm stuck in the corner
AD
over here.
with 23 points. Yeah, you can still make it in.
Yeah, the stop out. That's what.
Louis Bino stopped out. SP King stopped out. Arak stopped out. Suni stopped out.
I don't know. You get over there, you're kind of stuck over there, ain't you?
Look at the negatives. Louis
Win.
DeBino minus 18.
It'd be cool if you could change direction in the middle of the game.
Louis DeBino stops out again. Miss K. We're getting
Who do we got?
some points though. We got a couple of winners.
We got
Blockwire
AD.
with 18. And
AD, Blockwire,
AD with
Silent Mind.
22. Silent Mind's trying.
Massacre.
Blockwire is kind of stuck. Just got stopped out. AD's holding it. Blockwire got stopped out again. Poor guy. Okay, AD.
Oh.
You got this one. You're hanging out on the right side, high on the top right corners, away from everything. Everyone's pushing you higher and higher. Clock's running lower. You keep bouncing against the wall. You couldn't be more in the top right corner if you tried. Now you just came down.
Is that what I mean when I say to the moon?
To the moon, to the moon. Oh, you just got one stop out. 24.
You jinxed him.
1 second. AD, you made it. Oh, it's true. AD. Yes, needs to be explained. These are qualifiers for Friday's final. That's why we run so many of them. This
Okay.
is what determines who the qualifiers are going to be in the finals, and in the finals, it's going to be either an account from Bullinox or from Taurus Arena, which is up on the board over there. That's why you see qualifier on the screen also. So today's qualifiers, the ones in the finals, will be Skelly, Catastrophe, SP King, and AD.
Good game.
Cool. Guys, what time did you start streaming?
We never stop.
Oh, because I came in London and then I realized it's halfway. It was just like it was. Were you trading? I think the screen was like repeating itself. I wasn't sure.
Yeah, no, the trades are live, the charts are live. But take a look over the right shoulder of Omnius overnight. You'll see a red dot. That means it's a rebroadcast of the morning stream. But that's just the hosts, you know. So it gives people an idea of what to expect from the New York Open session. But yeah, the hosts are the talking is a rebroadcast from the previous morning. That's what you'll see again tonight, you know. But often we're there typing in the chat. You know, I'm usually typing in the chat. I was in the chat yesterday from 6 till almost 1 in the morning, I think, you know, interacting with whoever was there. But I don't open the mic because it'll interfere with the rebroadcast of, you know, the video of the rebroadcast. So we just type manually.
Plus, it gives people from a different time a chance to be able to see the stream, and gives us a chance to reach out to more people, because the morning, the New York Open is very competitive, and YouTube doesn't really push the stream out very much. So they're pushing everybody to the bigger streamers. So it helps us out. Plus, people like to get in the chats. They still want to talk about trades. So you can you can chat with us. You can chat with each other. And like Mike said, everything's live. It's just the host or rebroadcast. Miss K, see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Miss K.
Suni, we are going to forget. So soon, if you're still there, whenever you start streaming, let us know. We will forget. We have way too many things. But whenever you start doing that, let us know.
Friday so far, we have live trading, Trader Bison, Blockwire, Straw Hat, Silent Mind, Starboy, Skelly, Catastrophe, SP King, and AD. Those are the players so far. And then we got a couple more qualifiers tomorrow, guys. And then on Friday, I might have a new game for you. I'm developing another game. I like it, but it's still in beta mode. It's still a little buggy. So if I can have it for you by Friday, I will. If not, we'll continue playing with Last Man Standing or Lead the Field.
AD, what do you think about the overnight rebroadcast stream? You like it? Don't like it? I think it works out pretty good.
Excuse me, guys. I gotta run, but thanks for letting me on.
Dan, appreciate you coming on chatting with us. Gives us a chance to
definitely
meet people a little bit more and hang out, chat. We'd like to maybe once a week or something get people on chat. Y'all are interested?
That's pretty cool. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I think even more than once a week, you know, maybe even after 10:30, we'll just hop in the public channel, and whoever wants to come in. And we continue doing what we do, you know, trading, looking at the markets.
Yeah, that's what people like.
We'll see how it goes.
Dan, appreciate you.
Take care.
Take care. See you tomorrow on the stream.
Definitely. Trade well, everybody.
Take care, guys.
All right, bye.
Hey, it's true. Omnius, I forgot. I wanted to mention. Maybe we should, maybe be a good idea to have another member, a little trading competition like we did a couple of months ago. And we can also, again, give away an account as a prize. I liked it. It was fun.
Everybody.
Wait for the next 90% off sale.
Yeah, maybe.
Instead of doing it with Take Profit Trader like we did.
Yeah, everybody was so mad last time. Golly.
Nah, who was mad? We only had one mad. Skelly, you remember who was the mad? We had one mad, but it was fun. I enjoyed it.
Something that's supposed to be friendly and exciting. It's so mad. Like,
Yeah, it was like you would think it was for a gold medal in the
yeah.
Olympics. Shit, there wasn't even a prize back then, I don't think. It
No.
was
Just hanging out and having fun.
yeah, just a pat on the back. Anyways, it was good. Shit, I got my Take Profit Trader also account. Unfortunately, I traded it like an idiot, so what can you do? But
We'll see next time they have a good sale or something. And
AD, you trade futures, forex, CFDs, stocks. Which one? It's you trade mostly futures.
you might be busy for a second.
Mm.
Mike, I think Taurus Arena can set you up trading competitions. I don't know if you've seen their last email that's talking about their competition. They were saying if you're in an affiliates competition, you can still do theirs, but with a different account. So I think they can set up affiliate competitions.
Yeah, I got to send them an email anyways. I was thinking I was going to have another meeting with them. So yeah, maybe.
Might be able to do something when they have a good discount.
Mm-hmm.
And set up a trading competition.
Yep.
I would be interested to see if they could run all the numbers and everything, so then people's not looking at us. Like,
Yeah.
There's y'all's numbers. This is what you do the prop from.
And it would save me work also.
Mm-hmm.
So that'll go in the to-do list.
Guys, any questions, cares, concerns before we leave? Type in the chat, or AD if you anything you want to talk about for a second. Skeletor, anything you want to talk about for a second?
I'm good.
Good.
Yeah.
Bold, yellow, save.
Skeletor, you be careful walking outside, okay?
Yeah.
Florida apocalypse. Us Florida people, we can handle anything except for that cold.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So thanks for hanging out. As I said, and as Omnius said, we'll be back on the mic tomorrow for the New York Open, starting at 9:15 or earlier. And we will have the rebroadcast running through the night again. We do chat in the chat box, so if you see us there chatting, then come in, hang around.
Hi.
Yeah, say hi, hit the like button, and see you all soon. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate it. And I also want to say, me and Omnius really appreciate you guys who have been using our codes. Big shout out to all of you guys. We really do appreciate the support and the encouragement you guys give us, so really thanks a lot. Heartfelt thank you.
Really, really appreciate you guys. See you.
Later. See ya.
Skeletor, AD.
Yep.
See you tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Take care, guys.
I gotta remember which one I gotta press to get out. All right, bye guys. Later.
Trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Strange ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Strings ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn,